Assalamu alaikum. I am Jashimuddin Munshi, Assistant English Teacher of Daudkandi Pilot High School. Today I am going to hold an important class over punctuation. Now I am going to start the class. Dear student, we know there are 5 kinds of sentence. In these 5 kinds of sentence, we use 3 types of punctuation. Assertive, interrogative, imperative, optative, exclamatory. The 5 kinds of sentence, we use 3 categories, 3 types of punctuation. First of all, in the assertive sentence, we use full stop. We use full stop. We also use full stop in the imperative sentence. And optative sentence. Okay, so we notice that in these 3 kinds of sentence, assertive, imperative, optative, we use full stop as a punctuation. And now in the interrogative sentence, we use symbol of interrogative, symbol of interrogative. And in the end of exclamatory sentence, we use symbol of exclamation, symbol of exclamation. The student, we found 3 types of punctuation here: symbol of exclamation, full stop, and symbol of interrogative. Now I am going to share the rules of capitalization. Listen, dear student, there are lots of punctuation here, but we also know comma, hyphen, bracket, and lots of punctuation, inverted comma. So I want to highlight the most useful punctuation, because our class is not very big. I want to short the class, and I want to point out the most important things. The student, in the punctuation marks, capitalization is also an important part. I want to show it in one sentence. Dear student, this is a sentence and there are lots of punctuation mistake, and I want to point out the mistake. You should know the first letter of any sentence use capital. This is the major rules of capitalization. He said to me, and then this is the repeating verb RB, repeating verb, and then we have to use comma as punctuation and start reported speech. Here inverted comma start. The first letter of inverted comma should be used capital letter. So okay, we use here I capital letter because this is the first letter. He said to me, comma, inverted comma, and we have to conclude the inverted comma. It has another part, in the end of the sentence. First of all, I want to point out again that this is reported speech. Reported speech. In the reported speech, there are 5 kinds of sentence, and we have to use full stop, and it has a part, another inverted comma. Okay, and now we can learn the first letter of any sentence should be used capital letter, and after the inverted comma we have to use here capital letter. Okay, Rahat is my best friend. Here the first letter of the sentence is Rahat, and this is also the name of a person. So in the first letter of a person we have to use capitalization. Okay, so the first letter, and this also the first letter of a sentence, and this is also the name. Dear student, if the name is used in the middle of the sentence, this also start with capital letters. To another example, I have a best friend whose name is Rahat. Dear student, Rahat is the name of a person. We use here capital letter, and here we should also use here capital letter because this is the name. Okay, dear student, it's all about capitalization, and I am going to share a more good question, a model. Okay. I will go to Dhaka with my friend Abir tomorrow. In this sentence, there are lots of mistake, punctuation mistake. I want to mark this mistake, the first mistake here, and the second mistake here, and the third mistake here. Okay, dear student, I told you the first letter of a person should be used capital, so that's why we have to use H capital letter. He said to his mother. Okay, and use comma because this is reporting verb, and we are going to start reported speech. Okay, the first letter of inverted comma should be used capital letter, inverted comma, and then we use here I as capital letter. Okay, and Abir is a proper noun and this is the name of a person, and we use here the capital letter because this is the most important rules of capitalization. And we also use full stop because this sentence followed the structure of assertive subject verb object extension. This is subject verb, okay, extension. So the end of the reported speech we also use inverted comma. So here lots of punctuation marks we found. First of all, capitalization we use as capitalization rules, and comma, punctuation mark, inverted comma, capitalization, and capitalization, full stop according to the rules of sentence, and we use inverted comma. Okay, this is the direct narration, and I hope that most of the students will face this type of question in their board examination, especially for class 8 or 10 student can be helpful after watching this video. I hope that it will be enough, and I will come back with another video. Okay.